Ready! I'm inviting 3 of my friends. 3 of my friends. Now I'm ready. Hi, friends. I invited 3 of my friends. This is Duani, this is Rania, and this is Isabel. Let's get started. Today we are going to make strawberry cupcakes. You need some cake mix, 1 cup water, half cup oil, 3 eggs, and some sprinkles. These sprinkles look pretty and adorable. There are also flower pipes. Let's put the ingredients into the mixer. Why don't you add the cake mix? Awesome. Cool. Awesome. Great. Good job. Good job. Now add the oil. Okay. That's cool. Looks awesome. I think one of the friends are going to be so happy. Next, you can put the water. Put the water though. Water. It's pink. It's starting pink. Ooh. It's getting pink. Let's start with the eggs. Okay. Be careful with eggs. Okay, my fingers are Great job! Oh, that was so close. That was so Put it in here. That was great! My hands are dirty now. Okay. We've added the eggs. Now let's mix. Okay. Mix it for 2 minutes. We're crazy. It's going to be a pink cupcake. The egg is kind of in the... It's almost... Let's take a look at it. Ooh, it looks pink and it looks so good. It smells good. It smells like strawberries. Yeah. Delish. Let's put the cups onto the baking tray. This is orange, this is yellow, this is pink. Pinkish color. Okay. And this is orange plus white. I want these to go from one color to the other. Okay. I would go from this one. Oh, me too. I headed for the pink. Oh, these are thick. I took 2 of them. All the cups onto the tray. Right now, we're done with these. We put them in a pattern. Yeah. Now we can put the cake mix into the cups. Oh, and only put 1/4 of the cake mix. Oh. It's coming out. I'm so happy. Be strong. Pink, 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 pink. Could use a little pink. Strawberries for pink. Strawberries. Okay, I think that's good for me. I think. Yeah. How about I try? How about I try? Let me go next. Get me. Then Isabel. How about me? She's older than you. I'm technically taller than her. And I know more stuff. Okay. I don't know. Stop. I know how to do scratch. It's awesome. It's like awesome. This is awesome. This is like awesome sauce. Oh my god. It's like squiggles. It looks special. Right? Isabel? Oh. Yes. I don't know. Just whip it around. Okay. Oh. Do that one? Ooh. You know, fraction squirting. Squirting. Lots of squirts. Oh. It's hard, isn't it? Okay, yes. It is. Thanks for helping. Ooh. I can add a bit more. Okay, there's like there. Oh, wow. Okay, eat the next one. That's great, Ethan. Go, Ethan. Go, Ethan. Go, Ethan. Go, Ethan. Go, Ethan. Oh. Okay, that was. Yeah, I think that's enough. Now we've filled all the cups. Now let's pat it. I can help. It's working. The reason we're doing this is because to make the air bubbles go away. Okay. Now that we're done putting the batter into the cupcakes and getting the air bubbles out, it's time to put them in the oven for 25 to 39 minutes. Okay. Okay. Ooh, this is so beautiful. We have put it in the oven. Also, don't forget if you're a kid, make sure you ask an adult for help. We'll be coming back soon. Coming back soon. We'll be back. We're having some fun in our break. We baked and rested everything for 10 minutes. Now we need to decorate it. We have some rainbow sprinkles, flour sprinkles, these monster eye cookies. Cookies. Wow. And more flowers and more googly eye things that are edible. Okay. Or monster eyes. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Oh, who loves this? This is really cool. It smells. That's okay. Be careful. I think I'll do these as my mouth. I think I'll stick that green flower sprinkle. That's awesome. Let's dig in. Ooh, wow. Everything is looking pretty good. Good job, Isabel. Good job, Ethan. Thanks. This is so sweet of you. I'm just going to take some sprinkles. I'm going to take the knife and we're going to sprinkle. I got a big idea. That's a great idea. And one more. You're turning yours into an alien? A monster. Mine's an alien. Mine is... I got a perfect idea. I'm an alien with 5.4 eyes. Mine is like a flower garden. Decorating it. The fire. We're done with the decorating. Now we're going to show you guys how it looks. This is mine. It's Flower Girl. This is mine, and I call it Alien Flower. This is mine, and I call it Super Cool Dude. This is mine, and I call it Cute Flower. Let's take idea. Good idea. Thanks. Who will really love the best? Oh, this one's right.
So yummy.
Good.
It's amazing.
It's really good.
I can really get that hint of strawberry.
The sprinkles. So crunchy.
Yeah.
The flour ones are really crunchy.
It tastes amazing.
It's awesome. And guys, look, I put one in here.
Oh wow.
I squished it all the way under there.
The flour ones are really good.
It's the heart.
Oh, what?
Thanks for watching. And please subscribe and smash the like button and hit the notification button.
Awesome.
Great. Let's have a great time.